Think you're gonna make it? We're almost to the top. We think. Hiking here with my friend Sylvia from Colombia, who I know from having lived here on Kauai previously. We're on a hike up above Hanalei Valley. Maybe it's called something else, I'm not sure, but anyway, near the town of Hanalei on the north shore of Kauai, and it is after a big rain last night, so it's not so bad here, but there have been some very muddy spots. We're expecting a good view up at the top here, we'll see.
Shama.
What's that?
Shama.
Shama, what's that? Is that the kind of bird?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Never heard of that. It's pretty. So cool. Every little while is a complete change of the plants, the greenery around here, all these different types of trees and bushes and everything, which I wish I could say what some of these are, but no idea. Much of this is unique to me. You know, other parts of Kauai don't have all these same plants, so this is, I'm not sure if this is a some kind of an arboretum or what. We just kind of we're just trying to think of somewhere we could go for a hike kind of last minute, and Sylvia there thought of going down this road, and then sure enough we found a trail and figured we check it out, and it turned out to be pretty awesome. So just kind of exploring around and hoping to get a view soon. All right, looks like we're coming up to the viewpoint. Looks like it's going to be spectacular. All right, hell yeah, check it out. That is Hanalei Bay. Home of Puff the Magic Dragon, who lives by the sea in a place called Hanalei. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. There's something going along. I can't tell if that's a kite. Oh, it's a kite from a kite surfer, I think. Out there in the bay. So where I was camping the first time that I came up to the North Shore earlier on my trip a couple weeks ago was end of the road down there, Hyanna, then Apali Coast, which I hiked back that way, that corner of the island. A lot of cool stuff to see around here. The Blue Room Cave, end of the road down there.
It would be nice to do some zip line down the...
I know, it's all ready to go. All you need is a belt.
Yes.
You get going pretty fast, I think. Won't be able to control it too good. Electric powered too.
Yes.
Yeah, that was worth it. Just the right amount of time too.